center line.
Delta Fox X-ray Hotel, holding point runway 31, ready for departure.
Delta X Hotel, Roger, stand by.
Good, now take your toes down and keep going. Yep. Transition your eyes now. Yep, make that number get bigger. We're looking for 1250-ish. Nice. Speed's alive, gauge is green. Annunciator is clear. 60 cross check.
First, Delta X Bravo, join right traffic correction. X Bravo,
hold it still, don't rock it back and forth.
55.
Cleared, touch and go.
85, move your hand and rotate.
Delta X Hotel behind.
Oh, so we only got 600 pounds of torque. So you got to use that friction lock, yes?
Behind, landing Aquila, laying up and wait.
Delta Echo Papa Alpha, Moenchengladbach Tower, guten Tag.
Fly to the bars.
Echo Papa Alpha 28 on the apron in front of the fuel station.
Okay, positive rate. Gear
Papa
up.
received.
Flaps up.
VFR check flight, would like to leave CTR via Whiskey.
Make sure you're trimmed before you turn on the autopilot. So once you turn it on, the autopilot's going to finish the trimming for you, and it's kind of slow.
131 via Alpha, QNH 1020, Delta Echo Papa Alpha.
I will push the stalk here to recall your altitude. Good.
Delta Golf Romeo 1500.
Set your heading bug to the 9 o'clock for the crosswind.
Und Überflug des Platzes in Bahn, Mitte und dann
And when you're ready, make your turn with, yeah.
Delta Golf, flieg in die Platzrunde, über Platzmitte und dann raus über
Pumps, igniters, hots and lights.
Auto. No, that's once.
Delta Echo
Pulse.
X Juliet, Moenchengladbach Tower,
Pulse stays on.
Stays on. This one
Yeah,
stays
and
on.
now this goes to auto. That stays in auto. Yep.
Okay.
Delta X Hotel, follow the preceding Aquila into traffic circuit, wind 310 degrees 4 knots, runway 31.
And then if you're happy with the speed,
Altitude
recommend
200
you
to go.
come back to 450-ish on the power, and then autopilot off, make your downwind turn. The reason we're using the autopilot for the first...
Juliet Romeo, report when turning to base.
Wilco.
Wilco 3 Juliet Romeo. Okay.
Yes. November Juliet Romeo, give me a call when you're turning to base.
Wilco 3 Juliet Romeo.
He probably doesn't know that one.
Delta Echo Fox X Juliet, Moenchengladbach Tower, guten Tag.
Delta Echo Fox X Juliet, guten Tag. This is Type Aquila 210.
When you fly heavier equipment like the Meridian, rather than pulling or pushing to correct, use small amounts of trim to trend the correction.
Okay.
Report with Mike.
Delta X Juliet, welcome.
Delta X Bravo, the preceding Piper Malibu is passing now from right to left. The aircraft is now right beam.
It's beautiful downtown Dusseldorf.
Delta X Bravo, looking out for traffic. X Bravo, continue downwind.
Since they've disallowed powder traffic for 3 hours in the middle of an afternoon on a Saturday. There's now suddenly a backup of training planes that are following us around the pattern. You can see them here.
Delta Echo Papa.
Yeah, Delta X Bravo, the preceding Piper Malibu is at your right hand side as well on right downwind. Let's say in your
So make it as soon a turn as you're comfortable doing.
Traffic at the moment not inside.
Okay, November Juliet Romeo, continue downwind, stand by for base turn.
Continue downwind, stand by for base. 3 Juliet Romeo.
Delta X Bravo, base turn approved and
Daryl.
early base turn.
Let those 3 airplanes in front of us.
Bravo, no problem. Base turn and full stop.
X Bravo, Roger, you're clear to land, runway 31, the wind is 3204 knots.
Delta X Bravo, clear to land, runway 31 and full stop.
November Juliet Romeo, turn base now.
Turn in base 3 Juliet Romeo.
Delta X-Ray Hotel, continue downwind, stand by for base turn.
Delta X Hotel, continuing downwind, standing by for base turn.
All right, so the base leg, consider